Yeah, I'm David Pollard and I've been with Jim's since 2008 and I'm the franchisor for South Australia for Jim's Test and Tag. When I first came into Jim's Test and Tag, we were purely just test and tag. These days we're offering electrical test and tag, exit emergency lights, portable fire equipment and also the replenishing of first aid kits. And with any particular customer, I'll try and get as many of those services in because it become a one-stop shop. And it really does help the customer. They're dealing with one person for 4 offerings. In my opinion, we are the best out there. You know, we're trained extremely well. We use computerised equipment, so there's none of this handwritten tags or anything. Everything we do is you can follow back to that particular item. So everything we test has reports come with it, and you can see the results for each one of those tests performed on a particular item. If something goes wrong in the workplace, and none of us want to see that happen, if you've got a set of reports that show exactly what's happened to this appliance as far as testing is concerned, compared to something that just has a handwritten tag and there's no history, I certainly know what I'd like to have in my hand if I ever had to go to court because somebody was unfortunate and was injured. Once I gain a customer, what I try and do is become the go-to guy. So go in there and I start to manage this part of their business for them and let them know that they don't have to worry about it anymore, that when they're due for retesting, I'll be letting them know the day and time that I'm coming in. Seems to work fantastic for them and it's a problem that they don't have to think about it again. You can ring the call centre on 131 546 or have a look at our website, jimstestandtag.com.au.